Hello everyone, welcome all. In this class, we will learn countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, tell me, what's the difference between paper and a paper? Why do we say trousers are and news is? You learn answers to all your questions in this video. So keep watching. There are two types of nouns, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Some nouns are countable. You can count them. For example, pens. Pens are countable. You can easily say one pen, two pens, three pens, and so on. But some nouns are uncountable. You can't count them. For example, water. You can't count water. If I say one water, two waters, three waters, will it work? It doesn't work. Here are three examples like money, rice, knowledge. They all are uncountable nouns. Countable and uncountable nouns behave very differently. They follow different rules. First, uncountable nouns can't be plural. That means you can't say monies, rices, or knowledges. These forms don't exist. Secondly, you need to use a singular verb with uncountable nouns. For example, your money is on the table. The rice doesn't taste good. Thirdly, you can't use a or an with uncountable noun. Like you can't say a money, a knowledge, a rice. However, you can use some or any, like you need some money, is there any rice left, etc. With countable nouns, we use many to talk about large quantities and few to talk about small quantities. With uncountable nouns, we use much or little. Okay, so an important question. Many uncountable nouns are words for food and drink, such as coffee, pasta, meat. There are two kinds of nouns which are linked. Collective nouns, which describes a group of objects altogether. And the second one is abstract nouns. These are often uncountable nouns. What's the difference between fish and a fish or glass or a glass? Fish is uncountable. That means it's a food. And a fish is countable, one whole animal, living or dead. Similarly, glass is a material and a glass is something you drink out of. Okay, have you ever made a mistake in English? Of course, we all make mistakes. Where you say something like, my friend Tina has a long hair. If you say this, you mean that your friend has one long hair. That's probably not what you meant to say, right? Instead, say my friend Tina has long hair. However, uncountable nouns are more general and abstract, whereas countable nouns are more specific. Let's take four uncountable nouns: advice, bread, furniture, coffee. How could you make them countable? You could add a piece of to make it countable. Simple. A piece of bread, a piece of furniture, and in case of coffee, a cup of coffee, a spoonful of coffee, because there are many possible answers for coffee. Thank you for watching. I hope so. Now you know the basics about countable and uncountable nouns and how to use